Forgot your account password? Cannot create a new user from login screen? Open PassFab 4 WinKey on another computer. Insert your USB and select it. Click Next. PassFab 4 WinKey will remind you that all data in your USB will be erased. Click Next to move on. Once done, plug in the burnt USB to your locked computer. Restart. Press F2 to enter BIOS. Use arrow keys to navigate to boot option. Set your USB as boot option 1. Press F10 to save changes and exit. When you see the interface of PassFab 4 WinKey, select your target system. Choose Create a new account. Type your new username and password. And click Create. Once done, plug out your USB and reboot the computer. Now, you can log in as your new account.